Did you know the platypus is one of the only venomous mammals? Its males wield a venomous spur, a trait more at home in snakes than in a furry duck-billed swimmer. When the first platypus specimen reached Europe, scientists thought it was a hoax. But this animal is real, and it shatters our definitions of what a mammal can be. The platypus is a living relic, a survivor from a vanished lineage, and a testament to evolution's wild creativity. Today, we'll dive into the rivers of Eastern Australia to uncover the unbelievable truths behind this baffling creature. Prepare to see the world through the eyes of an animal that truly defies belief. The platypus is one of the only mammals that lays eggs, joining the exclusive monotreme club with the echidna. This ancient trait links it to a time when the lines between reptiles and mammals were blurred. After mating, the female digs a long burrow into the riverbank, ending in a nest lined with wet leaves and reeds. She lays 1 to 3 grape-sized leathery eggs, more like a lizard's than a bird's. Instead of sitting on them, she curls around her eggs, pressing them between her body and tail for about 10 days. During this time, she seals herself in, relying on her fat reserves. When the eggs hatch, tiny, helpless puggles emerge, completely dependent on their mother. The transition from egg-laying to nurturing is a living snapshot of evolution's stages. The mother's care is pure mammalian devotion. She nurses her young in a way unique to her kind. The platypus's reproductive strategy is a window into the deep past, showing us that evolution's path is anything but straight. This combination of egg-laying and maternal care makes the platypus a true living fossil. Observing this is like peering into a world millions of years old. The survival of this ancient method in modern Australia is a testament to the platypus's resilience. In nature, there's no single right way to be a mammal. The male platypus hides a dangerous secret, a sharp, venomous spur on each hind leg. This weapon delivers a powerful sting, especially active during mating season, hinting its main use is in battles for mates. The venom is a complex mix of proteins, causing excruciating pain in humans and sometimes paralysis in animals. What's remarkable is that the pain resists morphine and swelling can last for weeks. During fights, males grapple underwater, driving their spurs into rivals, a brutal contest for survival and reproduction. Females lose their spurs as juveniles, making this a male-only adaptation. Scientists are studying platypus venom for potential medical breakthroughs, including new painkillers and diabetes treatments. The venomous spur shatters the platypus's harmless image, revealing a fierce side beneath its soft fur. It's a reminder that survival in the wild often requires surprising tools. The platypus is not just a curiosity, it's a well-armed survivor of ancient evolutionary battles. Next time you see a platypus, remember the hidden daggers it carries. This venomous trait is yet another reason the platypus is one of the world's most fascinating animals. In the wild, appearances can be deceiving. The platypus is a master of unexpected defenses. Imagine hunting underwater with your eyes, ears and nostrils closed. That's how the platypus finds its food. It uses electroreception, a sixth sense, to detect the faint electrical fields produced by the muscle contractions of prey. The platypus's bill is a sensory powerhouse, covered in thousands of pores housing both mechanoreceptors and electroreceptors. As it sweeps its head side to side, it triangulates the exact location of hidden prey, even buried under mud. This sense is so refined it can detect electrical fields as weak as a few millionths of a volt. The platypus stores its catch in cheek pouches, surfacing to grind food with horny pads instead of teeth. Electroreception was first discovered in mammals through the platypus, overturning assumptions about sensory evolution. By shutting out sight, sound, and smell underwater, the platypus focuses entirely on this invisible world. It's a masterclass in sensory specialization, turning murky riverbeds into a landscape of signals. This unique adaptation allows the platypus to thrive where others would be blind. The discovery of this sense was a breakthrough in biology. The platypus proves that evolution can borrow and refine traits in astonishing ways. Its sixth sense is a superpower few animals possess. The platypus truly plays by its own rules. Most animals rely on a stomach to digest food, but the platypus skips this step entirely. Its esophagus connects straight to the intestines. No stomach, no acid bath. This rare trait among mammals likely evolved because its diet of soft-bodied invertebrates is easy to digest. Over time, the genes for stomach acid and key enzymes vanished from its genome. Digestion happens directly in the intestines, with enzymes from the pancreas doing the heavy lifting. The lack of a stomach is paired with another quirk: adult platypuses have no teeth. Instead, they use grit and gravel, scooped up with prey, to grind food between horny plates in their mouths. This pre-processing compensates for the missing stomach's churning. The platypus's minimalist digestive system is a marvel of evolutionary efficiency. Studying it gives scientists insight into how digestive systems evolve and adapt. The absence of a stomach is a powerful example of use it or lose it in evolution. For the platypus, a stomach simply wasn't necessary, and so it disappeared. Nature trims away what's not essential, leaving a streamlined survivor. The platypus is a master of minimalist design. The platypus's bill is its most iconic feature: soft, rubbery, and packed with sensors. It's not a bird's beak, but a sophisticated organ covered in over 100,000 receptors for touch and electricity. Mechanoreceptors detect pressure and movement. Electroreceptors sense the faintest electrical fields. This dual system lets the platypus pinpoint prey in total darkness, distinguishing living creatures from debris. A huge portion of its brain is dedicated to processing signals from the bill, making it the animal's primary interface with the world. The bill's sensitivity is so great it can detect a hidden battery's field while ignoring inert objects. Fine grooves on the bill may help channel water, enhancing its sensory power. When not foraging, the platypus protects its bill, knowing it's the key to survival. This organ is a masterpiece of natural engineering, allowing the platypus to hunt where vision is useless. The bill is not primitive, it's a highly advanced sensory array. Watching a platypus forage is to witness this marvel in action. Its constant sweeping motion and pinpoint accuracy are a testament to evolutionary innovation. The bill is far more than a strange snout, it's the secret to the platypus's success. In the animal kingdom, few tools are as finely tuned. Caring for young platypuses is as unique as every other part of their lives. After hatching, puggles rely entirely on their mother's milk, but she has no nipples. Instead, she sweats milk through pores in her skin, and the babies lap it up from her fur. This ancient method is a living glimpse into early mammalian evolution. The milk is extraordinary, containing a unique antibacterial protein that protects the young in their damp burrow. Scientists have replicated this protein, which could help fight antibiotic-resistant bacteria. The mother's dedication is total. She seals the burrow before leaving to forage, keeping her young safe and warm. Puggles grow rapidly, hidden for months until they're ready to face the world. Only when they're fully furred and waterproof does the mother lead them to water for the first time. This process, from milk oozing onto fur to the unique antibacterial properties, is a marvel of adaptation. It's both primitive and sophisticated, a perfect fit for the platypus's needs. Maternal devotion ensures the next generation's survival. The platypus's way of nursing is a story of evolutionary ingenuity. Even in motherhood, this animal breaks all the rules. Just when we thought we knew all the platypus's secrets, scientists discovered a new one. It glows under ultraviolet light. This biofluorescence was only found in 2020, when researchers shone a UV light on a museum specimen and saw its fur glow blue-green. Biofluorescence means the fur absorbs invisible UV light and re-emits it as visible color. Why does the platypus glow? The answer is still a mystery. One theory is camouflage. By absorbing UV and re-emitting it, the platypus might blend in better at dawn and dusk. Another idea is communication. The glow could help platypuses identify each other in low light, invisible to predators. The platypus is the first monotreme known to have this trait, adding to its list of oddities. This discovery reminds us how much we still have to learn about even familiar animals. Other creatures may see the world in ways we can't imagine. The platypus's world at dusk may be far more colorful than ours. Its secret glow opens new fields of research and wonder. It encourages us to look at nature with fresh eyes and maybe a UV torch. The platypus never runs out of surprises. Even in the dark, it finds a way to stand out. From egg-laying to venom, sixth sense to glowing fur, the platypus is nature's ultimate paradox. Each trait is a lesson in adaptation and the wild diversity of life. The platypus is a survivor from an ancient world thriving in our own. Its existence reminds us that mysteries still abound, even in well-known animals. The platypus encourages us to stay curious and protect the wild places where such marvels endure. If you're as fascinated as I am, subscribe for more of nature's secrets. Thank you for watching.